Do you ever open your English textbook, stare at the page, and feel absolutely zero desire to start? You know you should study, but the motivation just isn't there. It feels like a huge mountain you have to climb, and you're stuck at the very bottom. What if I told you that this feeling is completely normal, and that almost every single language learner on the planet feels this way sometimes? The secret to learning English isn't about forcing yourself with discipline you don't have. It's about finding a different kind of fuel, a smarter way to move forward, even on the days you feel like you're standing still. And today, we're going to find that fuel together. Hello, my friends, and welcome. I'm so happy you are here today. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the most important and often the most difficult part of learning a new language: motivation. I'm not talking about temporary inspiration. I'm talking about real, lasting motivation. That means how to stay strong when you feel weak, how to keep going when you want to stop, and most importantly, how to enjoy the process of learning English even when it feels hard. And today, we're going to find that fuel together. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together.
All right. First, let's be honest. Learning English is not easy, and that's okay. It's normal to feel tired. It's normal to feel slow. But you are not alone. Everyone who learns a new language needs time. You need time to listen, time to practice. You need time to understand. You need time to grow and to improve. Some days, learning feels fun and exciting. On other days, it feels hard and frustrating. That's part of the journey. On the good days, enjoy your progress. On the bad days, just keep going. Even the smallest steps are good steps. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to know every single word. You just need to try. You just need to keep going. Slowly, gently, step by step. You are learning. You are doing something difficult, and you are doing it well. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes it's easy. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes you want to stop. But when you look back, you'll see you've already come so far. You have learned new words. You have listened. You have practiced. You have improved, even if you don't see it yet. You are not at the bottom anymore. You are climbing, and you are getting stronger. So don't give up. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slow. But all learners need one thing: motivation. Motivation is not magic. It's not always loud and exciting. Sometimes it's a quiet little voice that says, try again, or don't stop, or just do one more minute. And that's enough.
If you feel tired, rest, then come back. If you feel confused, breathe, then try again. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to return again and again. So, how do we build this motivation? It starts with one simple question. Step 1. Remember your reason. I want you to ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Maybe it's for your job, to get a promotion or find a new career. Maybe it's to travel and see the world without a language barrier. Maybe it's just because you enjoy it. You love the sound of the language, the movies, the music. Your reason is important. Your reason is strong. Your reason will help you stay motivated on the hard days. So take a moment right now. Think about it. Why are you learning English? Is it for your job? Is it to study abroad? Is it to speak with people from around the world? Is it just for fun? Whatever your reason is, I want you to write it down. Put it on a small piece of paper and tape it to your wall or on your computer screen. Say it out loud. Keep it close. On the days when you feel tired, look at that paper. Your reason is your fuel. It gives you energy when you feel tired. Step 2, make it easy to start. Often, the hardest part of any task is just starting. We look at the big goal, like become fluent in English, and it feels too big, so we do nothing. The solution is to make it incredibly easy to start. There's a great video I saw that talks about something similar, called How I Stay Motivated to Learn English, and how you can too. The core idea is to remove the pressure. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for silence or for when you have lots of energy or when you are in the right mood. That perfect moment rarely comes. Instead, make learning English easy to start. Put your English book on your desk before you go to sleep, so it's the first thing you see. Save an English learning video on your phone so it's ready to watch. Set a timer for just 10 minutes. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to start. And once you start, you'll find that the rest becomes easier. Step 3. Celebrate small wins. Progress is not always a big jump. Sometimes progress is quiet and small. It's the moment you understand a sentence in a movie without thinking. It's the first time you watch a video without subtitles and get the main idea. It's when you speak to someone, even for just 10 seconds in English. It's when you remember a word you learned last week. These are small, but they feel good, and they matter. You don't need big results to feel motivated. You just need to notice the small victories, the small wins. So smile at them. Feel good about them, because they are proof that you are moving forward. Did you listen to English today? That's a win. Did you learn one new word? That's a win. Did you try even a little? That's a win too.
Step 4. Be kind to yourself. Your mind is a powerful tool, but it can also be your biggest enemy. Don't say, I'm slow. Don't say, I'm bad at English. And please don't say, I will never speak well. This kind of negative self-talk will destroy your motivation. I once watched the video titled, The Mindset You Need to Learn English, Stop Trying to Be Perfect. And it explained how powerful our thoughts are. Instead of being critical, be kind. Say this instead. I'm learning, I'm trying, I'm doing something difficult, and I'm doing my best. You are human. You are growing. So be kind to yourself. You deserve kindness from others and from yourself. Step 5. Write things down and record your voice. This is one of the best ways to see your progress. If you can, keep a little English notebook. In this notebook, you can write down new words you learn, sentences you like, or just 1 or 2 things you did in English that day. You don't have to write a lot. Even 1 sentence per day is enough. For example, today I listened to a podcast. I learned the word progress. I watched a video and understood it. Then, later, maybe in 1 week or 1 month, you can read it again, and you will be surprised. You'll say, oh, I remember when I learned this, or, oh, this was hard before, but now it feels easy. That, my friend, is real progress. Another powerful tool is recording your own voice. You don't need a fancy microphone like mine. Just use your phone. Say 1 or 2 sentences in English. For example, hello, my name is Sarah. I live in Turkey. I'm learning English because I want to study abroad. Then, next week, do it again. Say the same thing. Then listen and compare the 2 recordings. You will notice your pronunciation is a little better. Your voice is a little more confident. This is how you see your progress. It becomes real. It becomes something you can hear. Conclusion? Learning is a journey, not a race. You don't need to finish first. You don't need to be faster than others. You go step by step. Sometimes you go fast, and sometimes you go slow. And that's okay. You don't need to rush. You just need to continue. Remember, there is joy in learning. There is joy in small wins, in small victories. You have made it to the end of this episode. You listened with your heart. You gave your time and your energy to something important, yourself. And I am proud of you. You are building a skill that can change your future. Thank you for showing up, and thank you for being part of this journey. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the English Glow channel for more lessons to help you on your English journey. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.